Our activity is going to be marrying the click PLC with a energy saving devices to create a smart room where we can save some money by controlling energy. We chose 3 sensors, a light sensor, a motion sensor, and we then decided to have an override sensor, so we used the clapper. We wanted to use the light sensor because we wanted the light to come on only if the room was dark enough. If there's a lot of bright sunlight coming in from the outside, then we did not need the light, so that's why we added the light sensor. Next, we added the main control to the room, the motion sensor. We added it in series, so both the light had to be dark enough in the room and the motion detector had to detect someone. The motion detector, though, was running for 5 minutes, was the lowest setting we could create. The final thing we added was the clapper. The clapper was put in order to act as an override. It was put in parallel, so it would override the other 2 sensors. We wanted the clapper to be there in case at some point a 5-minute timeout of the motion detector went off, so we added the clapper, which would override the motion detector and then shut the system down. We then went to the program writing process. We wrote a program where the light detector and the motion sensor were in series, and we put a parallel line in for the clapper so it could override. After we finished getting everything programmed, we set it out on the board. We realized we had 2 situations. The clapper and the motion sensor were all using 110 volt power, and the click PLC used 24 volt. So we bought 2 relays to include into the program to make it work. After everything was built and wired, we began our testing. We started with the testing of the clapper. Jorge, can you give me a clap, please? And you notice the light came on. Go ahead and turn the power off. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to re-energize it, and we're going to look for the motion detector to turn the light on. Go ahead, turn the light on, power on. See the motion sensor has picked it up and is reading. Now, if you hit the clapper now, it will stay on and won't affect anything. Again, the motion sensor has a 5-minute charge timer on it. And basically that is the project we're doing.